Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. My name is Israel Quinones. I am currently enrolled in Bradman's EDSU 534 course. Currently, I am tasked to create a abbreviated lesson which encompasses the centralized theme of hunger. This theme is a project-based learning experience which I'll be sharing with a couple of my peers with different subjects. My subject in particular is physical education. As a PE teacher, I think it's very important for students to learn nutrition and health, as it is also important to learn the benefits of as such. Students in this presentation will be learning the basics of just basic nutrition as a capstone for higher education. The knowledge that is being displayed in this presentation will be beneficial for students as they are needing to complete a final project in collaboration with each other. The project which I project for this thematic unit would be a group involved health and wellness brochure focusing on nutrition, health, physical activity, and social wellness. I have the slide right here to have students expand their horizons on the problem of hunger, how it exists in the world, and what factors make it so. Here I have a resource which students will be working with to create the brochure as a final project in their groups. My Plate is a very good source of information for nutrition. It can range from ages from infancy to elderly, so it will be a great tool for them to look up. During this presentation, I'll be having them write down this journal entry and answer it throughout the video. Why is it important to have a healthy diet at early ages? And then I have some examples of why. Positive smiley face, better overall quality of life, more energy throughout the day, better prepared for independent living later on in life. Take care of your body, I'll take care of you. Just make it a routine. Sad face negatives, which I know that I can get some deep water. I'll probably just talk about this because health, in the health class, I'll probably be talking more about this in depth. So overweight, not getting enough nutrition, improper growth of body, and weaker body parts, along with earlier mortality rates. Here I have the basic food groups and a suggested generic portion for each. Fruits, vegetables, grains, dairy, and protein. Of course, everybody is different. I will also be focusing on different body compositions and activity levels throughout the unit. I'll also be breaking down how food is broken down, from carbohydrates being the first source of energy, protein second source, and then final fats. In conclusion to this presentation, there will be a multiple choice quiz and fill in the blank quiz mixed together in the Google Classroom under the nutrition section. Thank you very much.